Good afternoon, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. Today we're looking at a 2025 Harris 230 Sunliner. It is equipped with the 327 package. This is equipped with a Mercury 250 V8. It has a center walk-through layout, rear-facing lounger, another lounger here with the cup holders and the USB-C and USB. Come up on the captain's seat. Got a nice bolster, armrest. You got your Simrad screen. Sitting at the helm, you've got your nice Harris steering wheel, JL audio, Bluetooth enabled. You've got your Simrad screen. Got some nice setups here. You got your charts. You can switch it to your Mercury engines. Up on the other side of the dash, you've got a nice phone charger, your lighting, ski locker. This one is equipped with the active trim. Nice glove box, lockable, large door to open. Nice storage under there. Ski locker. Nice seating up front. Both sides, plenty of storage. Thank you for watching. Joel Hawk, MarineMax, Lake Ozark. Reach me at 314-568-6004. Thank you. Have a great day.